Alright, we're back at Disney's Riviera Resort today. In our last video, we showed you a tower studio here. And so today we're going to show you around the resort, show you some of the things it has to offer, and just kind of give you a quick rundown. So, let's go. Alright guys, just overlooking the entrance to the Riviera here. This is the road that leads up to it once you go through the security check. It is an absolutely gorgeous morning here in Central Florida, and if you don't mind, before we get started, take a minute, subscribe and like if you enjoy the content. It helps us out more than you know, and allows us to keep bringing things like this to you guys. Alright, so here's a look at the Riviera. If you look, the detail in the decorations here is awesome. The resort is beautiful. So this is where you'll check in at. You'll have valet and bell services. Also to the left right here is the walkway that takes you down to the bus pickup for Disney Transportation. This is a Disney Vacation Club resort, so welcome home is one of their signature things, and so that's one of the first things you see here. They still have the 50th rugs out. That's going for a few more months, and here's the main lobby when you walk in. It's very elegant. It's a small lobby. It's well decorated. Plenty of places to sit. They don't have necessarily an official check-in. You have bell services right there by the door, the entry door. You have a couple desks right there, and a desk right there as well. The people are more than gracious and friendly here and willing to help. It's one of my favorite things about it. Everybody that we've come in contact here with in the last few days is just absolutely over-the-top friendly and more than willing to help. As we kind of make our way around the main lobby here, you'll see Le Petit Cafe. That is their coffee shop in the morning. They do serve a few pastries, and then they also turn into a bar at night. And then over here to the left is La Boutique, Alright, so just taking a quick peek in here. This is where you get all your Riviera Resort merchandise, as well as your Disney Vacation Club stuff. It's kind of the sundry goods type thing. You can get your groceries. If you need to pick up any snacks and things like that, you see here as well. All the resorts have these little area, and this is where it's at here. And by the way, they have some of my favorite cold brew here, Le Petit Cafe on property. Just their regular cold brew as well. They have an almond cold brew and cinnamon cold brew as well. And it's not Joffrey's, so you get something a little different here. And they have two of these, because when you enter, you're actually on the second floor. On each side of the stairway down here to the first floor, they have a little balcony area. So if you get your coffee and want to enjoy the morning or something, you can come out here. They have 4 chairs, 2 on each side there, and you can kind of oversee the courtyard area right there on the left, and we'll get down there in a second. Alright, so we come through the lobby. We're going to make our way down the steps here. The first floor, and here are the recreation experiences going on for January. A lot of different options for both kids and adults, and they do a movie under the stars just like other adults do on the movie. Alright, so we're going to exit from the left. You can kind of stay in the building. Hello. You're welcome. So you can kind of stay in the building or walk out here in the breezeway. But we're going to take a little walk and then just re-enter right over here. This is where you would go into Topolino's. It is on the 10th floor at the Riviera. I don't know that we're going to make it up there to show you. Hopefully we're going to eat there in February and maybe show you some pictures or some videos at that time. Here is Primo Piatto, also very, very good quick serve. We really enjoy it. You can see some of their primary breakfast offers. That croque madame is delicious. It is my favorite quick serve breakfast, maybe on property, but also like the sticky one. It's really good too. And of course, this is where you do your refillable mugs as well. So they actually have 1, 2, 3 refillable mug stations over here, very close together. And one of the things I like too is that when you do a mobile order, they set it right over here so that you just come in, pick up your bag, and you're right out the door. All right, so just once again overlooking the courtyard area now that we're down here on the ground level. I'm standing by the bocce ball. Right now, this is the sign they have out here, and last week it was people were out here playing, maybe even this weekend, but of course currently it's unavailable. They also have beanbag toss over there. The kids are playing as well. Just this whole area, very quaint, very elegant. It's just, there's a relaxing atmosphere to it. All right, everybody, so we're taking a look at the pool area here. This is the main pool. It's not quite open yet. That's why it's empty. But you can see they have plenty of loungers. And one of the things I love about it is the number of umbrellas that they have over the loungers. So if you need some shade or want some shade, you can get it. They have a hot tub right there as well, and that tower has the slide that DVC resorts have for their pool. I didn't get a chance to go down it, but maybe next time. There's another view of the hot tub right here. I think it probably holds, I'm not sure, I would say probably 6 to 8 people. And then this is the kids area, play area. You see they have a lot of water. Obviously being a pool area, a lot of water, but what I meant to say was a lot of water like just splashing around, shooting up out of the ground, coming down out of the tower. Awesome little play area for kids. They always seem to really enjoy it if you're walking by. Kids are always having a blast. It has a smaller slide there for them as well, and also plenty of room for adults to lounge and watch as their kids play. All right, now as we round, kind of get towards the fence line area here where the kids area is, you'll see there's a walkway. That walkway right here will lead you around this pond and this beach area. They have a small beach area right there to the Caribbean Beach Resort. So if you needed to get over there for anything, it's just a short walk away. And then this pathway right here leads you along the pond on the Riviera side of things. Also from the entrance, right here across the entrance for the pool, again, I was talking about how compact and close everything is. You'll see you have a filling station right here for your drinks, if you want that. But also this is where Bar Riva is. This is a kind of an outdoor, closed off area outdoor bar. But here's a look at their drink menu that they have posted. They are really awesome here, very, very friendly. The drinks, any drinks we've ever had here have been really good. And the food has been good as well. So it's kind of a great little evening spot to hang out. You can see it kind of has that, you can see it kind of has the nice artwork. It's got the Disney Cruise Line there. It kind of gives you that island feel here. And then of course we're still right across from the pool. And you have Primo Piatto. This is an entrance here, or actually an exit. But like I said, if you wanted to come get you some food from the pool, or while you're hanging out at the pool, you could, and it would be very, very easy. All right, so we're back in the courtyard again. You can see they have plenty of places to kind of sit, enjoy your breakfast or dinner out by the water, or just relax and read if you want. And across here, not far from everything else, is again the quiet pool. It actually has a little longer hours. It's open from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. at night. I'm not going to go in there right now because there are people in there, but it is a nice sized pool and is very elegant, very, very relaxing place. Even though it's in the middle of the courtyard, they use all this shrubbery once you get inside of it to kind of isolate and seclude you, and you don't feel necessarily like you're in the middle of the courtyard as much. Now we're making our way to the west side of the resort. They have steps that you can come down here, post your pictures out over the water, relax, whatever you want to do. Again, we're looking across at Caribbean Beach. Caribbean Beach is a massive resort, and it takes up, you know, 3 sides of the pond or the lake, and this is just kind of off on its own little corner. So we're going to make our way back right here. One of the things you probably just saw was the Skyliner. This is another one of our favorite things about the resort, is the fact that you have access to Hollywood Studios, you have access to Epcot, you have access to Art of Animation, and Pop Century as well. As you enter from the Skyliner, this is some of the most amazing artwork to me. It's all done with tiles, and this is the first one. We have fountains here in the middle, but look at this tile work, and it goes all the way up and overhead. It's obviously tangled with the lanterns. Absolutely, just amazing that can be done. And then you go up here, they have another one of Peter Pan, and it's just as spectacular. Like, I never get tired of looking at it. Every time I walk through, I think I stop and just have to take a look, because it's just continuous from one side to the other. And once you get done looking at the tile work, this is your short path to your Disney Skyliner station. And I don't know if you can see it with the shade right now, but like I said, Disney's Pop Century, Art of Animation, Caribbean Beach, Hollywood Studios, and now, just a side note, as far as the Skyliner Transportation, if you want to go to Epcot, you actually have to kind of walk around this side and enter from the other side, but it is a straight shot. You only have to load here, and you'll unload when you get to Epcot. If you want to go to any of the other areas, such as Hollywood Studios, you're going to cross this line right here and land at Caribbean Beach's hub. It's the main hub, and then you'll get on whichever Skyliner you want from there. So you will have to unload and then reload, but it doesn't really take up any time. It's pretty much just the time that it takes to get off of one and get on the other. And they do have, if you're a big coffee person, they do have a Joffrey's stand there. So keep that in mind at the main hub. Here's a view of the Riviera, looking from the Skyliner area here. Alright, so one of the things that really sticks out to me for this resort, outside of the Skyliner and other stuff, is the artwork here. Also, if you're staying on property, they do have a fitness center area for you. That's right across from the quiet pool. And then, of course, there's the side of the quiet pool right next to the building. Here's a quick map of the resort for you to look at real quick. As you can see, we are right here, more or less right in the middle. The quiet pool is there. A while ago, we had you overlooking that balcony is right here in this area. So yeah, you have the west wing, which is right here, and then this is the east, and then back over here is the pool, the main pool area. And then, of course, right there's the main entrance. So you can see we've just about covered the entire resort relatively quickly.
One.
Alright guys, guys, so this is gonna about do it for the resort tour. You know, it was just kind of a quick thing this morning we got up and did for you guys to show you around, show you some of the basics of it, and some of the things that we love about it. So if you enjoy the content and enjoy the video and the tour, then by all means, again, please take time to like and subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you guys on the next go around.